Do you have a website or a blog? Want to know how a single line of code automatically added 6,386 sales to our ClickBank accounts in only 6 months? And how this new website code automatically built us a massive email list of 11,643 subscribers in just 7 days? Exploded our conversion rate by 198% in only 6 hours. And it's not just us. Some of the biggest affiliates and vendors on JVZoo and ClickBank already use this revolutionary AI technology. Like Rich Williams, who increased his sales by 177% in just 2 days. Or Chris X, who built a new email list of 1,981 buyers in only 4 days. And today, you can start doing the same by copy and pasting one line of automated bot code to any website or blog, and exploiting a new AI technology used by huge companies like Facebook, Spotify, Starbucks, Staples, The Wall Street Journal, Pizza Hut, Amtrak, Disney, H&M, and MasterCard. Hi there. On behalf of Simon Wood, Giri, Imran, and the rest of the team, welcome to this short video. Together, we've got 32 years of experience in developing cutting-edge software. We're currently in the Platinum Group on ClickBank, and we're one of the biggest affiliates on JVZoo. Over the last 11 months, we've spent over $12,000 developing a new bot technology. Our revolutionary AI can explode the conversions of almost any website: affiliate review sites, list building pages, WordPress blogs, sales letters, e-commerce websites, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites, freelance websites, almost any website you can think of. Our sophisticated bot code works with WordPress, ClickFunnels, Leadpages, Shopify, JVZoo, ClickBank, and hundreds of other programs. It's also fully integrated with email autoresponder services like Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, and GetResponse. Okay, so what's this all about? Well, did you know that by the end of this year, a staggering 85% of customer interactions won't be with a human? That's because of the rise of a powerful new AI technology: chatbots. You might have heard about chatbots on major news channels like CNN and Fox News. Mark Zuckerberg revealed chatbots will be the secret to Facebook's success over the next 10 years. Billion-dollar companies